Okay, welcome back. We are going to try and create a character attack. So I'm not going to leave this guy here. I am going to go to event guests. Let me copy and paste him. Okay. So if you watched the previous video, we made it so we can build a barracks, and the barracks can build a swordsman. Now we want the swordsman to have abilities. So for the swordsman, I'm going to go into unit events, and instead of getting rid of these, I'm going to create one more so he has the option for 4 abilities. But we're just going to rename them all. This is going to be attack. And this is going to be defense stance. And these two will just not be used. So we can create an attack. So we're going to set ourselves, find the enemy unit. If we cancel out of that, it just cancels out. And then we can do an attack, but we want to grab our stats and their stats first. So change variable. Oh, we have not created all of our variables again, so we'll do that real fast. Variables, I think I always put them in 4. So this is hit points. Next would be strength, magic, skill, speed, luck. Defense, resistance, and move. Delete those. Copy all these. Paste. And then we're just going to put an E in front of all this. That'll stand for the enemies. Oh, luck is LCK. I just used 3 letters. Enemy defense. Okay. Now we got some variables to play with. Oh, I need more water. Water. I have this one water bottle I can't open. I don't know why it's so stuck. Oh, I got it. Finally. I haven't gotten it in the past 2 days. Okay. Honestly, this is working out pretty good. Okay. Now we gotta go back to our unit, our swordsman. And did it? Oh, I think I'm at the wrong swordsman. This one. Okay. So for this unit, we have attack. We don't need this gold thing. We want to set variables. So strength is going to be set to unit ID 1 strength, which is here. And we're going to enable parameter bonuses so that if we have any kind of modifiers from spells or such, it'll take that into account. And then we are going to do defense, or e-defense. Is set to unit ID 2 defense. And then strength is going to subtract unit ID 2 ID. Actually, we're just going to make it the variable enemy defense. We're going to subtract the enemy's defense from our strength. And then we are going to, I'm just going to do this for later purposes. Strength multiply by 100. And then we're going to divide by 100. Right now it doesn't do anything, but if we ever wanted to modify it, such as we want him to do less damage to armored units, we could do multiply by 50 and then multiply by 100, so we do 50% less damage. We'll set up that at a later time in a different video, but right now we just want to do the damage. So the filter is going to be to basically whoever the unit is, because I sort of want this to work both ways. Well, not really, because the enemy's not going to use it, but we'll do it like this. It's not going to hurt. So unit ID 2 is going to be within one space. It's only going to affect unit ID 2, I should say. And we're going to do fixed damage equal to the strength variable. Okay. And that should do it. I'm going to create a switch. I'm going to call it null. Get back to our unit. And I don't want these to work yet, so I'm just going to go to our null switch and say null has to be on, but null is always going to be off. Oops, spam. Okay, switch, global, null is on, and global. Oops. Null is on. Okay, so the only one that should show up is attack. Oh, and now I'm going to take him, and we go to reinforcements. I'm going to delete that guy and place that guy. Now let's hope he still has the same unit events. Okay. And let's just make sure the barracks is going to build it properly. The barracks wants to build that swordsman, which is the reinforcement. Good. Now we just need an enemy. take our swordsman. And I call this cavalry. I don't remember which guy I used for cavalry. That guy looks cool. I don't know what he was for though. And there's cavalry. And his hit points will be 100. Oh, I gotta change the configuration on this. Oh, hit points can be 9999. Okay, and 999, 99, 999, 999. Okay. Looking good. Cavalry will be 100 hit points. But in this case, his movement is going to be 0 for now. Whoops. Okay, so I should be able to attack this guy now. It's not going to have an animation or anything, but that is fine. Let's harvest some gold. Okay, I think we have enough. I wasn't really paying attention to build our barracks. Let's build our barracks. Train our unit. Build a swordsman. And our swordsman was not able to attack. So let's see what the problem was. Reinforcements. Attack requires an adjacent enemy. And we don't want gold. As long as it's an enemy and they're adjacent, we can attack them. Okay. Hopefully that works. It's just part of the process of making a game. You forget stuff. And hopefully I didn't forget anything else. I think that was enough. Let's build our barracks. Train unit. Build our swordsman. And can we attack? No, it's not letting me select that, and I think we put limits on choosing a unit. So let's go back one more time. And I think the problem is in extract map position, right here. We can't select gold, and we want to select player, enemy, or ally. I think we just want to select enemy with our attack. Troubleshooting. Okay, build our barracks. Our barracks will train a unit. And our unit will attack the guy. Did 9 damage. We can focus on animations later, but that is exactly what I wanted to do. And now that we can have reinforcements have commands, I can make it so I can make infinite barracks, infinite workers, and infinite swordsmen be able to do all of this. I thought I was gonna have to do a workaround, but it doesn't look like it. I can make this game pretty easily. That is so cool. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a CO power, because I promised the guy on the internet that I would make a CO power. So let's do that. See you in the next video.